This should probably be my first YouTube video, but it's not. It's gonna be like my third YouTube video. Anyways, enough of all that. Now let's take a look into the 6 reasons that I am starting this YouTube channel and why you should also start one as well. There's also going to be a couple useful points at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around for those as well. The first reason is I need to improve my communication skills. I'm not going to say I'm an introvert because I feel like telling yourself that kind of limits you inside your brain of what you're capable of, because you might do something and be like, well, it's okay because I'm an introvert. No, you are still completely capable of getting better at talking, even if you talk less than other people. I stutter a lot. You might not realize it because of how I edit my videos. There's a lot of cuts in my videos because of the number of pauses and stutters that I have. And it's not just in my videos, it's in person too. Not even stuttering, like I said, sometimes it's just long pauses, or I'll say or in between like every 3 to 5 words. It just sounds really dumb. When I'm trying to talk freely out loud, I have the vocabulary of a 5-year-old. But when I'm typing or writing, I do an incredible job. As a matter of fact, all my videos right now are scripted word for word. Because when I try to freestyle it, I just make so many pauses like I was dropped on my head. Maybe I should be a copywriter then, because that doesn't involve physical talking out loud. But no, I want to get good at both, typing and writing and speaking out loud. Communication is a high-ticket skill that everybody should learn. Alright, on to number 2, which is improving my video editing skills. Video editing is another high-ticket skill, and it's not for everyone, but it is definitely for me. I'm decent at video editing, but I still think there's a lot of room for improvement and growth. I've been creating content since I was 8 years old, and I've been putting more effort into editing videos since I was 14 years old. I started with these videos where I would do these cool flips and make a cinematic video or edit of where I traveled to do these flips at. Heavily inspired by Sam Colder, if you know who he is. I was good at it, and I used just my phone for the video editing, and everyone thought that I used professional software like Adobe After Effects or Premiere Pro. Then a few years down the line, I had a lot of success with shorter form content, but never YouTube. And the reason why is because I don't have enough experience editing long form content. The type of niche that I'm also filming on YouTube is completely different than what I used to film, so it requires different types of editing. On top of improving my video editing skills, video editing in general and content creation is just very therapeutic to me. I've been doing it for such a long time, and I just enjoy doing it for fun. I've been slacking this year, and I've still created over 500 new videos of content. The third reason I'm starting this YouTube channel is to help people. I can't really rank these because they're all good, but helping people is something else that I genuinely enjoy and I go out of my way to do. There's a lot of people that talk to me about their problems and ask for help. I'm a good listener and I give good advice, but unfortunately I can't help every single person that I wish I could help, unless I do a YouTube channel. Because then everybody who needs my help can literally just watch my YouTube videos, because in these videos I'm saying the same thing that I would be saying to them in person. I think becoming successful is a great thing, but helping others become successful with you is even better. I've helped a lot of people in different ways. I've helped people start their first business. I've helped people reach their first million-view video on YouTube. I've even helped save someone's life before. Regardless of my mediocre communication skills, I'm very good at helping people using my knowledge, my logic, and just the way I use my emotions when I talk to people. So with that being said, I can't wait to see whose lives improve from watching my videos on YouTube. On to number 4, and that is to make money, of course. If you're trading your time and skills for hours every day, you want to get it monetized if you can. If you want to have financial freedom, you have to turn as many things as you can into assets, and a YouTube channel can definitely be turned into an asset. But it requires a lot of time, a lot of commitment, and it needs to give a lot of value to a lot of people. Since my channel will cover a lot of side hustles, a lot of people are going to see my channel and say, well, actually, the best side hustle is to make a YouTube channel explaining what the best side hustle is. They're not wrong. It can be the best side hustle if you do it correctly. But think about it. I'm spending hours a day recording, scripting, editing the videos, having to deal with all that to put this video out for you, and you watch it for only a few minutes a day, completely for free. I think that's a pretty fair trade. Number 5 is to meet new people. I love meeting new people and networking with them. And YouTube is a great way to do that. You never know who you're gonna meet. I've met a lot of really cool people through TikTok, and I feel like YouTube is even better for networking than TikTok is. Through YouTube, I could meet someone that I look up to every day, and I might learn something really valuable from them. I might meet someone that I might work with in the future on a future business. Or I might be able to meet some of you guys that are watching my videos. And the sixth reason that I'm starting a YouTube channel is to support any future businesses that I start. A lot of YouTubers who are already making a lot of money before YouTube didn't start the YouTube channel just to make a little extra side income. They do it to liquidate the lead cost of their main businesses. Think about Alex Hormozi. Everyone knows who he is. His company is acquisition.com. It makes over $100 million a year. So why does he spend time out of his day to record videos on YouTube? Part of it is to help people, but the other part of it is to help people get to $1 million business so that his company can help scale that $1 million business to a $10 million business, and he makes money from it. So he gives you all of this information for free that can help you get to $1 million business, and then if you want to grow it even more, you pay him extra money. Eman Gatchi also does the same thing. He's another big YouTuber right now, and he just launched his course called Educate. It's the same type of thing for that. So if this channel doesn't perform the way that I want it to, what does that mean for me? I'll still be happy that I tried it, because at the end of the day, you never know if something is going to work unless you try it. But obviously be reasonable. Don't go gamble with all your money because you don't know if it's going to work unless you try it. Like, don't do that. The thing is, I just hit 20 subscribers a few minutes ago. So there's already 20 people that said, yo, this is facts, this is amazing content, and this is super valuable and could change my life one day. And I'm going to hit that subscribe button so I can hear more from this guy. I mean, think about it. 20 people is like the size that a good number of my high school classes were. So even if my channel doesn't blow up, there's a chance I could have already helped one of those 20 people by now, and that's a win right there. And let's say I never gain another subscriber ever again. As a matter of fact, let's say I lose all of my subscribers and I can never gain one again. Then what would that mean for me? Well, I'd still be glad that I tried it, number one. Number two, it is very therapeutic for me to make content, like I said. And number three, sometimes I get out of it and I need to listen to my own advice, and watching my own videos might be the thing that I need. And number four, on top of it being therapeutic for me to make these videos, I think it's just a better thing to do in general than just scroll mindlessly on TikTok and turn my brain into mush. Those are all my reasons for why I am starting this YouTube channel and why you should as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all success in your future YouTube channels. And if you enjoyed this video, I will see you in the next one.